Hello guys, good afternoon. For today's video, tayo po ay nagluto ng gulay. So, ang gulay natin, it's okra at saka talong. So, nilagyan natin na siya ng shrimp at saka yung tira nating hamburger. Yan, pinagsahog natin dyan yung niluto nating hamburger. So, this is our semi-pinakbet. Kasi kulang ng mga gulay pa. So, ito lang yung available natin. So, yung okra at saka yung talong. Ayan. O, diba? Ang sarap. Ang bango. Super yummy. So, meron na tayong lunch. Yummy. Alright, this is Chomosky. And welcome to our Chomosky TV cooking show. So this is our lunch for today. Semi-pinakbet with okra and talong and shrimp. Yan. So kahit hindi na tayo mag-rice, pwede na ito. Ang ganda ng shrimp po. Ito yung shrimp natin, it's wild. Ang bango. Super bango. So, kahit hindi na tayo mag-rice, yan lang ano natin. So, pwede na. Alright. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is our semi-pinakbet. Pero ang sarap na. Grabe. Oh. Tatakpan natin siya para medyo may steam yung gulay. Actually, masarap dyan yung half cook lang. Diba? Alright. Thank you so much and have a nice day.